Hi, my name is Craig Smith. I'm 55 years old. I'm from Florida in the United States. Dr. Davi was recommended to me by friends and family that I have that live in Fortaleza. I started doing my research and I liked what I saw, and he was highly recommended by the friends and family here who knew people who have actually had procedures done by Dr. Davi. Dr. Davi performed a hair transplant, laser resurfacing of my face, and also a chin lift, mini facelift. The procedures took about 2 days. I was very comfortable. I felt zero pain the entire time. I'm extremely happy with the results. The chin lift was absolutely amazing. Instant results were seen even with the swelling, and now that the swelling is subsiding, it's getting better and better each day. The friends that I have here that saw me, and then pictures that I sent to friends back in the United States at how great the results were and how fast we achieved those results. I've been a registered nurse for over 30 years, and of course I've worked in the healthcare sector in the United States for 30 years. The level of care here is phenomenal. The attention that you receive is fantastic, and I would say even really better than what I received in the United States as far as time spent with me. I never felt that Dr. Davi or any of the staff members were rushed. I was given every opportunity to ask questions and was provided answers. I could text at any time and I received a response within minutes typically. So the level of care is fantastic here. I'm completely satisfied with that. I've wanted to have a hair transplant for a very long time. I would have pictures taken and I was never ever happy or satisfied with the result. The same thing with the neck area. I was constantly using filters and constantly trying to touch up pictures or just avoiding being in pictures with friends and family altogether. I wish I would have done the procedure sooner. However, I'm happy that I did it now. If you're considering a hair transplant or if you're uncomfortable with excess skin that you may have, I highly recommend doing the procedures. I don't think you'll regret it. As I said before, the pain is nothing. There's no pain associated with it at all. It's just a very easy procedure.